Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a background in Photoshop. Okay. Open your image. Go to selection tool. Quick selections. First of all, remove the background. Control space and right click, left click mouse. Resize this. I use bracket. Okay. Alter space. Refine its. Select black. Reduce. Smooth. Other. Okay. Output to selection layer mask. Now click OK. Now we can see this. Remove the background. Right click mouse. Convert to smart object and add your background. I select the background image. Okay. Or you select simple color. Solid color. Select white color. As you wish, you select your color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.